Changing your primary email on Skubana is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address effectively. Step 1. Log into your Skubana account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your primary email. In the email preferences section, find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated space, ensuring it is typed correctly to avoid errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and update your primary email address in Skubana. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Skubana. Following these steps will help you successfully change your primary email address.